we are going to ask you 6 questions which you have to reply in yes or no. And if you reply yes in any of the 6 questions, then this session is going precisely for you. So the first question, have you all must have wondered which technology to learn and from where to learn. Moving on to second question, you also have wondered, am I the only one interested in this technology? Third question, you also have wondered that time at times that you want to discuss some thing with others, with like-minded people. Also, you might have faced difficulty for finding projects in certain technologies. Also, creating a team for hackathon or other events is a major task. Also, you at times have felt that you are missing out certain opportunities. So if you have typed yes in any of them, then that's why we are here for you. And that bring us to the next section of our presentation, that is goal of GDSC. So the goals of GDSCs are, uh, there are 4 goals of GDSC. First is collaborative learning. We always do everything in collaboration. Uh, Second goal, speaker sessions. We regularly organize speaker sessions with the different academics and industry level professionals to give a real world experience. Third, we focus on personal growth and skill enhancement of particular individual. Fourth, and the main goal of GDSC is that we aim to provide better exposure open to all. So GDSC work in different domains and different technologies, but there are few primary domains in which we are going to work this year. These are web application, AIML, cyber security, cloud, coding, and Android. So now we are going to introduce our team. So this is me, Pushkar Maurya. I'm currently GDSC lead for 21-22. Currently, I'm in third year CSC. I was also head of Hackathon Bit by Bit, uh, t- which was organized in Technical Fest Enigma, which concluded in last month only. Also, I was previous web club lead. Also, I have participated in several hackathons and have won several of them. Also, I was winner of ProGate Week of Learning, and my research interests includes packages development and API creation. Over to you, Deepak.
Good evening, everyone. I am Deepak Sagar. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech from ECE domain, and I am third year student. So, I am from Muzaffarpur, Bihar. I have organized so many events. One of them are Arduino based codes and votes, which is Arduino based coding contest, circuit designing contest under Techno-Cultural Fest, which was Enigma 2021. So I am currently managing event and project under GDSC core team, and you can ask me about Arduino and can freely contact me or regarding any project or any event that you think should be there. So you can see my contact details, and you can also connect me on LinkedIn. So this was from my side, and over to Harshit Vijay Gupta.
Yeah, thank you, Deepak, and good evening, everyone. I hope everyone is fine there. Myself, Harshit Vijay Gupta from third year CSC branch, and I am from Ara, Bihar. And if I talk about my position as a design lead in GDSC Triple IT Bhagalpur, I used to design web crafts and creating content for the different events, sessions, and webinars that will be organized under this GDSC Triple IT Bhagalpur. And I will make sure that you will receive a better visuals so as you will feel excited for the any upcoming events and sessions. So I used to do this kind of things, and this is all about me as a design lead. And you can follow me on LinkedIn and Instagram. The links are there on this slide. So thank you, and further will be explained by Pratik. So thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Pratik Chandra. I am currently in second year EC department. My skill sets are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, Node.js, etc. I am also the part of the website development team of the annual Technocultural Fest in UGMA. I achieved second position in the hackathon organized by Web Development Club IIIT Bhagalpur. So now, basically, we will be going to learn full stack development, which includes front end, back end, and database section. Front end is the client side portal that a user can able to use. Backend is how the application is working, and database is how the data of the applications are stored. Next slide, please. So now, how to join the web dev club of the GDSC? You all have to join the club WhatsApp group using the link. The link will be provided in the chat also. You will get all the information regarding joining the club classroom from there, and all the further club activities will going to happen there. All the materials will be provided at the classroom. Now, if you all have any query regarding, just write down in the chat. I will be answering those. Now over to Subham.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Subham Kumar, currently studying second year CSC department. My skill set is I am a full stack web developer as well as I am a web hacker. Currently, I am a leader of a cyber club team of GDSC IIIT Bhagalpur. My current position in Try Hack Me about 15,000 because I'm going to solve 50% CTF in Try Hack Me. Next slide, sir. Now we have a large question. What are the things I'm going to learn in web hacking? The first of all, we're going to learn about Kali Linux. In Kali Linux, first of all, I'm going to show how to install the Kali Linux in a VirtualBox, how we can write any type of command in a VirtualBox in a Kali Linux, how we can interact with the kernel, how we can write our own shell script, how we can design anything in a Kali Linux. Afterward, I'm going to learn about networking. In networking, I'm going to learn about how many type of layer that like that OSCP layer, OSI 7 layer model, and TCP IP layer model. Afterward, I'm going to also learn about DHCP server and also learn about DNS server. And afterward, I'm going to learn about web vulnerability, how many type of vulnerability exist in a web. Like some example are update vulnerability, command line execution vulnerability, SQL injection vulnerability. And afterward, I'm going to learn how to use tools in a Kali Linux. For some tools name are like Hydra tools, Nmap tools, Genmap tools. These are the tools I'm going to learn in a Kali Linux. Now, and many more things I'm going to learn. Now, next slide, sir. Now we have a question how we can join this cyber club group. So in this, you have seen that the group link are given. Now in this group, I also provided in a chat box also. Now we will get all the information regarding joining the classroom and all further club activity we are going to happen there, and all the material are available in the classroom. So if you have any query, then write the query in chat box. I will be answer that. Now over to Piyush Kumar.
Hi everyone, myself Piyush Kumar. I am currently a second year ECA student and currently a 4-star coder on Coursera. And I have also solved 800 plus problems on Codeforces, and I had organized CP contest in college. So basically, next slide. So basically what you will be learning in this. So we will be organizing sessions on DSA for competitive programming, and we will be discussing the context solutions, post-context discussion we will be doing basically, and we will be clearing all your doubts regarding the context. So next slide, sir. So what will the process? So we are going to organize contests once you all become proficient in coding, probably from next month. Till now, we had also organized 2 contests, and one was the study contest known as December Telebuster. So if you have any doubt, please write in the chat box and I will be clarifying this. So over to Suryansh Pandey.
Thank you, Piyush. Hello, everyone. My name is Suryansh Pandey. I am your Android lead GDSC. I am currently a second year student in Mechatronics department. I am the facilitator for Android Study Jams, which is currently going on. I was the core team member of sponsorship and PR team in UGMA Fest. I was the former marketing co-lead in Cultural Board IIIT Bhagalpur. Sir, next slide. So as the word Android comes, the first thing clicks in our mind is it is somehow related to our mobile phones. So basically, they are the apps which we use in our daily life. So Android development basically have two languages, Java and Kotlin. I will prefer Kotlin because it is in highly market demand. Startups like Zomato and many other big startups prefer Kotlin development. So now one question arises in your mind that why we should learn Android app development. So we should go for it to grab internships, to grab good placement, and to complete resume projects. And what are the things that we generally have in the beginning of Android development? So basically, we need a laptop, a good internet connection, and our Android phone, and of course, consistency, because consistency is the key to success to learn anything. So, next slide. As Android Study Jams is currently going on, you can join us from the given group link. We hope for the maximum participation. We are also having a session, a collab session with IIT Mandi on 2nd of Jan. And from 11th, we are starting Android app development from the basics. So I hope for the maximum participation. Now over to Himanshu.
So, hi everyone. First of all, a very good evening to each and everyone who have joined this session. I hope that you all guys are doing so well. So yeah, myself Himanshu Tiwari, and I am from second year and pursuing my BTech in the domain of electronics and communication engineering. Let us talk about my experience and all. So besides being in a cultural clubs. This year, I had an experience of a facilitator for 30 days of a GCP program that is being organized under the banner of Google Developer Student Club. It is basically like the campaign of 30 days where the participants are used to learn lots of the things about the cloud. And we had successfully almost around 130 plus students who have participated throughout GDSC, and it wasn't like the student from our college only participated. Like there were some students from the different colleges also participated. I can remember there was a student from Triple IT Manipur, and there were some students belonging to the Nepal. They have also participated through our GDSC. So moving forward, GDSC Triple IT Bhagalpur has lots of the things in its box, and it will be out so soon as the upcoming events, and that are enough for enhancing your skills. Sir, please, next slide. So what you will be learning in Google Cloud. So basically, you must be wondering about what is this Google Cloud. So basically, it is a platform that is being provided by the Google that includes a range of the hosted services for computational things, for storage application deployments that used to run on a Google hardware. And in the upcoming session, you will be learning lots of the things about the computational techniques, data transfer, internets of thing management tool, big data, and all this stuff you will be learning soon in the upcoming events. So next slide. And one most important thing, we have the 30 days of GCP twice a year. Recently, we had in starting of October, where you can learn the lots of the things about the cloud engineering. And the next 30 days of a Google Cloud is just round the corners. So whenever it is going to be conducted, we will inform you about this thing so well. And at last, I am just looking forward to have a maximum participation from your end. So this is all about from my side. So yeah, now it is over to Pushkar sir. Sir, you may carry on.
So GDSC, I think you all must be very excited for the sessions. So GDSC has basically the timeline fixed for different sessions it would conduct in a year. So now I'm going to discuss what kind of sessions we are going to conduct this year. So the sessions are hands-on workshop on different domains. We organize hands-on workshop on different domains like web, cyber, and many more. Solution challenge, which is a 21-point program of UN. It runs from January to November. We also organize that. We organize expert tech talks regularly. There is very soon tech talk coming in January only. Also, Explore ML is a Google event. We organize that also. Also, we organize study jams. Study jams are of two types: Android study jams and cloud study jams. Android study jam is currently going on, and cloud study jam has been over in past month only. Also, we organize boot camps in different domains from scratch. So I hope you all must be very excited for becoming a member. So there are also some perks of becoming a member. So the first one is that you will get an opportunity to improve your skill and enhance your personality. You get also opportunity to teach others. Also, your project's story and other things can be showcased on official GDSC handles. And these story and projects can be endorsed by Google itself also. Also, Google Developer provides different goodies and resources from time to time according to the sessions. So you can have that also. So for membership, please visit this link, and there is a join us button. From there, you can sign up for GDSC Triple IT Bhavalpur. And if you have any questions, please turn on your mic and ask us questions. Also, you can ask questions in the chat box. No. So questions, please.